Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your picture on your Linktree profile. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Linktree app, then go to the appearance on the bottom second icon, and here you will have this purple button, add image. Tap on it. You can take a photo now with your camera, or you can choose from library. It opens to your gallery. You choose a photo, then you can cut it how you would like to. Then on the top right corner you accept it, and you can remove by this button below the add image, or you can change it by tapping on add image. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.